Hello everyone, we are back with Clanton Velvet Reviews today, and we got another install project going on. Okay, this time we went with a different brand. This is the same kind of setup that we got, except there was a different brand, so I wanted to try Legrand this time for everybody, because what's the point of doing the same product? Let's do something different so people can now see at the video, say, do I want the Legrand or do I want the other brand that he did a review on? So now you can see both reviews and see what's up and make a decision for you of what's going to work out for you and your best installation, and what's, honestly, to me, your biggest value. If you can find value in it, go for it. Just find the value, right? So let's do this. Let's open this up. This was around the same price. Both of them were 20 to 30 bucks, depending on what was on sale or whatever. But we're going to do the unboxing right now. All right, guys. So this is the box that you would be seeing in the store. So you can give that a pause and just read what it says. And then that's it, pretty much. And then on the inside, guys, see, they give you the template in there. So you would cut that out, put that on your wall, and that's going to be your template, is what it's telling me. And see, there's the cutout right there for the template. All right, so they give you this outlet, which is they call this a decorator outlet, a decor outlet, or whatever, instead of just the regular, like, duplex that you would get, where it has the two separate outlets. This one looks like they're connected or whatever, but that's kind of what they give you in the box. We're gonna do the install on that. Then they give you a cover plate. We might use the cover plate. Actually, we probably will. Last time you guys saw, I did a little bit something different, because we had to install on that project. We had to install a surge protector on that. So since we had to do a surge protector on that project, we did a little bit of a different setup on that install. But this one, we're probably not going to do the surge protector, because it's for a lot smaller TV. It's not for like a big expensive TV. And that's the reason why we're not really going to do anything, you know, with the surge protector so much. And honestly, you know what I mean? Like, the surge protectors, that's for, like, you know, in my area, the surge protector is for like 1 out of like 10 years that happens. Honestly, I think maybe we had 2-3 surges in my entire life of living here. So, I mean, we probably get like once every 10 years if we're lucky. So, I mean, you know, by the time 10 years is up, TVs now, you usually just throw them out after a couple of years, because the Amazon and everyone else makes the TVs, you know, so cheap it doesn't make sense. All right, so this is the box that they give you. They give you a Pass and Seymour box. Oh, so they give you their own box, which is really cool. So they give you their own, because the other one I don't think makes boxes. So we had to get a different, it was a different made box. That's pretty cool. So they have their own box. They have that. So it, you know, Legrand is a bigger company. You know what I mean? That's why this one is probably, you know, was $2 or $3 more than the other one, just because this is a bigger company and they make everything at one place, so it makes you feel all warm and cuddly inside. This is pretty much how this thing goes. See, it goes like this, and then the outlet would go in there like this, like so, and then this would be installed like this, and that's it. And then you're pretty much done, and then you put the outlet cover on. And then here you're going to run through your HDMI and your Ethernet cable, or, you know, any of your other cables, you know, USB. You can run anything through there, but only, this is for low voltage, guys. You really don't want to run, you know, this is you don't want to run like high power, you know, line voltage, 120 volts and stuff like that. That's not really what this is made for. The line voltage, everything should be plugged into this outlet, which is your 120 volts. And if you need more than 2, then you just get an extender on that too. But that's why kind of, you know, what's up, just because up to code and stuff like that, you should really have that kind of stuff in a certified box and stuff. Okay. But anyway, this is the back of it. See, it has this, so just in case you do drop your cord, it'll get stuck, so you could just stick your finger in and grab it before it falls back in the wall, and then you gotta cry about it. This is really cool. See, you just put this in the wall, unscrew this, and then the wall will be here, and it'll grip, and it'll pull it into the wall. Just the same exact thing that these boxes do. See, it pulls it into the wall when you screw this in. Same exact thing on this. I mean, I'm gonna do it the same way that they designed it, because if Legrand is this way, then I'm going to do it this way with the outlet on the you know, on the left side over there, like that. But that is the size of it, so you guys you know, can see what's up here. This is what, this is like 6 inches, a little bit over. It's like 6 1/4 by 8 inches. Okay, that's how big that is. And now you guys have a perfect idea of what's going on. Now for the depth, guys, we are looking at 2 3/4 for the depth, okay, is what you're going to be looking at. All right, everyone. So that's it for the unboxing review. We are going to come back and do the install. The only reason why I do everything separate is because now, like I tell you guys, a lot of people, especially like with me, with the new technology, TikTok, all that other stuff, the attention span is not as much. People like to just look, only for, a few minutes, see what they're looking at, and that's it. So if you're getting this used or whatever the case, or you're looking for it and you're looking for the instructions, now you have the instructions with the product, okay, which is all together, and now you know what's supposed to go with the product before you're going to do it. We're going to do the install next, and I don't know what you're going to do it on your project, so my projects might be a little bit different, so you're going to see my project and what's going on. But that is it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, someway, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products or, the stuff I already reviewed. Right? So everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody. Enjoy, and I'll see you later.